This is a vibe, like green on green on green. I mean, I don't know what color my top looks on camera, but it's pretty green also. My nails are green too. Anyway. Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you. It's on the look I'm wearing right now, and I'm so sorry for being MIA. As you know, I'm working and I don't have that much time on my hands anymore to film, to edit, all that stuff. So in the past, I don't know how many days, I only filmed 2 videos. I unboxed the Look Fantastic boxes January and February, and today I'm filming. I filmed this. I'm still filming it, right? This makeup tutorial. I really love how this turned out. I don't know, I wanted to play a little bit with makeup, and I kind of wanted to recreate a makeup look that Kristen Dominic did on her stories today. Actually, today is Sunday. I don't know what day actually. February 21st. So I wanted to recreate this this beautiful makeup look. I'm going to show you in a second. It's a pretty smoky cat eye kinda, but I changed the colors. Like, she used browns and coffee colors, but I used pinks, and yeah, I use pinks. This is the makeup look. So pretty. She's gorgeous. Like, wow. So yeah, as you can see, it's more like a cat eye, smoky eye. So yeah, I wanted to recreate that, and this is the makeup look that I came up today. It is all matte. I just used a little bit of glitter in the inner corners, and also I highlighted my brow bone with the highlight I used on my face. And lately I used a lot these two palettes. I love them so much. I don't know, but I love them. So today obviously I used them to create this makeup look. And also I used this blur primer with the eyeshadow foundation and the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter, whatever that is called. And something is not vibing, because my face looks okay from far, but I'm afraid when I'm going to take the close-up pictures it won't look that nice, because it looks a little bit weird around my nose and around my mouth. I'm going to have all the products listed down below, and oh my god, I feel like I'm talking way too much. That's because I haven't been here in a hot minute. I haven't filmed the makeup tutorial in a very long time, and I'm so sorry for this long ass intro. Please bear with me. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful makeup look using whatever product I used today, anyway, keep on watching. You guys, I'm so sorry for the long intro, but I added timestamps, so that's that. Anyway, as you saw, I already applied my base. I did clean my brows though with my concealer, so that's why I haven't applied the base closer to my brow bone. Anyway, so first I'm going to go with this dusty rose dusty color and I'm going to just apply it very soft, very blended. I'm not gonna build up the color because I just want a soft touch, as I said. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful pink and I'm going to make it as intense as possible. And as you can see, I'm creating this cat eye winged liner type of shape. It looks like a cut crease, but it's not a cut crease yet because we are going to cut the crease a little bit later. And again, I'm following the exact same shape with all the colors. And you don't have to worry because this look doesn't require too much blending. As you can see, the first color did all the job. Okay, so make sure you blend well the first color. Use a light hand, so don't go crazy. Next, I'm going to take this color because I wanted something a little bit more deep in there, and I don't know why this is a brown shade, but it looks more like a mauve, maybe combined with these two pinks. it creates that color. Anyway, again, I'm following the exact same shape as you see, as you wow, as you see here. Yeah. And in my mind, I pictured this look a little bit more soft, but as we can see, I went kind of crazy with the colors. So that's that. It still looks soft though, to me. Anyway, next I'm going to cut the crease, but just the inner part, as you see here. And on top of that concealer, I'm going to use this milky creamy color because I won't be using any shimmers, any glitters. I want a matte look. And then I'm going to take the second pink and I'm going to apply it on the other half. And I don't know why I did that, but I did it on my other eye, so I had to do it on this eye as well. Is not that bad in my opinion, like it doesn't look that bad, but I don't know why I did that. Anyway, so that's that. Next, I'm going to create more like a soft wing liner, and I'm going to mix these two colors right here. And I didn't wanted my brush to be loaded with product, so I kind of wiped a little bit the excess. And I'm going to take my time to kind of perfect it, even though it's a little bit hard to perfect it to perfect the wing liner when you use eyeshadow, but it will look a little bit more soft in my opinion. I don't know. Moving on with the face makeup, I'm going to I can't talk today, I'm sorry. I'm starting with this MAC's blurring primer, even though it's not blurring at all. Next, I'm going to mix this to foundation and this illuminator. What is a illuminator? Wow. Terminator, illuminator. Something didn't mix well because my face looked a little bit weird when I looked way too close. I'm sorry, as I said, I can't talk today. Moving on, yeah, my face looked a little bit weird in the mirror. That's what I was trying to say. Moving on with the contour, since I'm very white pale because it's winter, you know. This contour is way too dark on me, but I don't know, I made it work. I blended to the heaven. Next, I'm going with this creamy blush, and I applied just a little bit because we are going to go with another blush on top. I feel like I'm rambling and I make no sense. Then I went with this creamy blush highlighter. I don't know, I still don't know what it is, but I guess you can use it however you like. I use it more like a highlight, but also a blush at the same time. Yeah. Concealer. I'm going to use the Jouer. I feel like I don't know how to say this brand. I'm sorry. High essential concealer. I love this so much, but sometimes it looks a little bit heavy under my eye. Matcha break. Do you guys love matcha? Please let me know down below because I would like to know that. You guys, I'm so sorry for this messy voiceover. I feel like I can't focus. That's it. I can't focus. Powder. I'm going to go with the baking flour powder in the shade Oat. I learned all the products I'm using, so I'm going to have them listed down below, even though I'm mentioning them here. Going back with this because you know the powder kind of cover it and it's not that shiny anymore, and we want shiny. I wanted my face to look a little bit more dewy. That's why I used the Hollywood illuminator. Well, anyway, so bronzer, I'm using this one, which I really like. And again, I feel like it's a little bit too dark for me now because I'm white AF, but I somehow made it work as well because I didn't apply it like crazy. Blush. This one is so good, you guys. Like, it has iridescent shift when the high, yeah, when you're high, no, what, when the light hits right, it has that purplish iridescent shift, and it's so beautiful. Highlight. This one is from Illamasqua. I don't know the name. Oh, I think it's called OMG. It's not too intense, but it looks very nice on the skin. Like, it makes the skin look wet. That's all we want, right? A dewy, wet like looking skin, right? Next, we're going to melt everything together with the spray. This is my favorite setting spray ever, and also it smells so good. Anyway, back to the eyes. I'm going to use the exact same browns I used earlier to do the bottom lash, and with a little bit of that pink, I'm going to blend those colors together. So I'm going to make it look, you know, a little bit more intense, a little bit more blended. Take your time. Anyway, next I'm going to highlight the brow bone with the exact same highlighter I used on my face. And for my inner corners, I'm going to take this beautiful glittery shade from the Latte 2 palette. It's not showing that much on my eyes. I don't know why. Probably I should have used it wet, but it's still beautiful though. On my lips, first I'm going to tap them with my sponge because I want a nice base. Then I'm going to overline them with this color pop. Wow, my ear is, you know, ringing, I guess. I think my angels are trying to connect with me or to send me some message. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to have all the products listed down below. It's still happening. I'm sorry, you guys. Wow, the faces. So I hope you guys liked this messy voiceover. I'm sorry again, I'm all over the place, but I'm going to go and process what just happened. So yeah, let me know down below what do you think, and that's it. Bye guys, love you. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I think this is a pretty easy makeup look in my opinion, but again, that's just my opinion. I feel like I haven't done like crazy blendings, especially in this part. You kind of see the darker pink or this color right here. This looks pretty brownish in the pan, but on my eye looked a little bit pinkish. I don't even know how to explain that, but you kind of see this color right here is not that blended, and I really like that. I mean, I feel like I haven't put too much effort into the blending to create this makeup look, and that's why I think it's pretty easy. I don't know, you tell me. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. I miss you so much, and I really hope I will be back soon with posting 2 videos a week, but I don't see that for now because this job, I mean, it's the same old job. But I think it's gonna last a while this year, so I'm happy for that because I'm gonna have money to buy more makeup. But I'm not happy because I do not have enough time to edit, film, you know, to do what I love to do, because this is what I love to do. And I wish, like, I really hope someday YouTube would pay my bills. I have hope, and that's very important, but I'm not there yet. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching and for being there for me. I love you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. I hope I will have time to edit this video and the other 2 videos ASAP. I'm not even saying that more than a month ago I also filmed like 3 or 4 Shein hauls, but yeah, I don't have time to edit and I'm so sorry for that. Anyway, bye guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much. Anyway, bye. Oh my